Veteran ZANU-PF politician Rugare Gumbo has cautioned Vice President Chiwenga to tread carefully in his dealings with President Emmerson Mnangagwa, urging restraint amid rising political tensions. Zarabena mashoko brashinzi ngwarira ngwena general wopiwa yambiro nolbo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Gumbo anamudanyira achiti. Posting on X this week, Gumbo suggested that many observers misunderstand Mnangagwa's leadership style by comparing it to that of former Robert Gabriel Mugabe. People often mistake ED's approach for that of Mugabe. I've heard widespread speculation from those who believe he will dismiss Chiwenga in the same way Mugabe dismissed him. But that is unlikely, Gumbo said. ED has his own way of doing things and doesn't act according to public expectations. He went further, portraying Mnangagwa as a politically astute figure who, yes, consistently outmaneuvers rivals. Chiwenga should exercise caution and restraint when dealing with ED, considering his experience and strategic thinking, he said. Provocation, whether through words or reactions, risk undermining both his personal credibility and the stability of leadership. This is not the ZANU-PF way. His remarks come at a time of heightened debate within ZANU-PF as internal dynamics continue to draw public attention. I wish people would listen to me. No one in the history of local politics has outsmarted ED since independence, he said. The worst mistake made by RG Mugabe was provoking him in the same way that Chiwenga is doing publicly. While ED remains silent, history is the best teacher in politics. Toma developments are kudapangwa in the comment section. Made to funga any more kulipa mzuri kuchita. Muzangana subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.